If your windows look more like a rainy day than a sunny view, you're not alone. Pollen, rain, and dust can turn any glass cloudy fast. Here's how the pros keep Tualatin sparkling. Here in Tualatin, our windows face a lot: rain, pollen, and all that Pacific Northwest grime. But the real trick to crystal clear glass? It's not just elbow grease. It's the right tools and a bit of know-how. Using a pro squeegee, quality cleaning solutions, and microfiber cloths makes all the difference. These get rid of stubborn spots and streaks, even when the weather doesn't cooperate. But let's be honest, DIY cleaning often leaves streaks and missed spots. That's where P&M Pressure Wash comes in. Our team brings professional tools and expert care to every window, making sure your home looks its best all year round. Clean windows mean more sunlight, better curb appeal, and glass that lasts longer. Ready for a clearer view? Call P&M Pressure Wash at 503-826-7996 and let us handle the hard work so you can enjoy the sunshine, not the streaks.